Hey there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can write documents on Google Docs just by using your voice. Let me show you what it looks like. So I'm on Google Docs right now. I have this blank document here, and all I need to do is hover over this blue dot. When I click on the microphone, the recording starts, and now I just need to click on it again. And as you can see, my text will appear right here. Now, the good thing about this is that I don't need to talk out the punctuation that I want to use. So for example, in the sentence, you can see that the comma was added and the sentence was correctly ended as well with a period. Now, the tool I'm using for this is a Chrome extension called Voicey. So I will put the link in the description. There are other tools out there, but I just find Voicey very easy to get started with. The reason why I use Voicey over, for example, Google Docs' own dictation is because A, it's way more accurate, and B, I don't really want to read out all of the punctuation stuff. I don't like it. I'm not perfectly comfortable with the punctuation rules in English, so I just use Voicey. So to get started on this, all you need to do is download the Voicey Chrome extension. And after you have added it to your Chrome, Brave, or Edge browser, just go back to Docs and you will find this element, this Voicey element here. It's a little blue dot, hover over it, it expands. Now, you can either do your recordings like I did by clicking on the microphone, or you can use a keyboard shortcut that you can set yourself. In my case, that keyboard shortcut is Control plus space. So I'm holding down the keyboard shortcut now, and now I've lifted my fingers, and as you can see, it appears right here. And that's pretty much it. Using speech to text to write your documents isn't just a great way to speed up your work, but it's also fantastic to just get a brain dump on the paper. If you're a writer, using your voice to write dialogue actually results in way more natural sounding dialogue, not like it was written down by a robot. And also, it is really useful if you want to avoid carpal tunnel syndrome, for example. If you type all day, it will put a strain on your wrists and fingers, and using your voice to write is a great way to avoid that. I hope this video was helpful. Please subscribe, give this a like for more productivity content, and thank you so much. That's it.